So this looks pretty scary. There's a lot of numbers, variables, who put letters in math. I'm going to show you how to add and subtract polynomials, okay? All you need to look for are like terms. Like terms are terms that have the same variable, or a lack of a variable, and the same exponent. So, looking at this up here, I see 9x to the 4th. So I'm going to look for other terms that have x to the 4th in them. So I'm scanning, and I see one. These are like terms. We are going to add these together. To add terms with the same variable and same exponent, all we're going to do is add the coefficients. A coefficient is the number in front of that variable. So 9 plus 6 is going to give us 15, and we are going to leave the variable the way it was, as x to the 4th. Now, let's move on to the next one. We've got 3y squared. I'm going to put a circle around this one. I'm going to scan. I don't see any other y squareds, so I'm just going to drag it down. Plus 3y squared. Next up, we have negative 10x squared. I'm going to put a box around this one. Scan. I don't see it. So, drag it down. Negative 10x squared. Next up, we got 15. That's a constant. There's no variable there. Okay, I'm going to put a triangle around this one. I'm going to scan, and I see a 7. Another term with no variable. So I'm going to add 15 and 7 together, and I'm going to get 22. Now, I'm going to put this closer to the end because we also have this minus 4y here. If you decide to put these out of order, you will want to reorder them based on degree, which basically is just like how high their exponent is. So in this case here, 4, 2, 2. When there's no exponent, it's a 1, and then none. Now, subtracting is a little bit more complicated, but this one trick will save you so many mistakes on your next test. What you're going to do here is you're going to apply this negative sign to each of these terms because we're subtracting, and we are going to rewrite it. So I'm going to rewrite this down here. This is going to stay the same. But anything that was a positive after this negative sign is going to become negative. Anything that was negative will become positive. So negative and negative, we have plus 3x squared. Negative, positive, so this is a minus 6x. Negative sign, this becomes a positive 3. And now we're going to do the same thing. Combine our like terms. So 10x to the 3rd, I'm going to underline it. Scan. I see nothing, so I'm going to drag it down. 10x to the 3rd. Next up, we have negative 2x. Scan. I see it there. Now I do see this x squared there, so I'm going to move this just a little bit to the right. Negative 2x plus negative 6x is going to give us negative 8x. I'm going to keep moving. 4 is a constant. And I'm going to scan and see that I have a 3 right here. And that is going to give us 7. And this last thing, this 3x squared, it's a little lonely. Everything else has a like term, but this one doesn't. So I'm going to add it on down there. And that is how you add and subtract polynomials.